The ITWeb Cloud Technology Executive Breakfast 2023. Specifically, we're doing this event today in collaboration with AWS, looking at how the public cloud and the cloud in general can help the public sector really accelerate its modernization, see what the options out there. So it's going to be a great time.
The goal of today's event is to engage with public sector holistically. So we're having breakfast, having a great discussion, and looking forward to engaging with the audience that is attending this session today. Currently, public sector in South Africa and South Africa in general is an emerging market, is a developing country. And we need to transition from a developing country to a first world country. And in order to do that, it is absolutely imperative that South Africa go on a digital transformation drive. Look at where your company is going and where do you want to be in the next 3 to 5 years. Not from a technology perspective, but a service delivery perspective. Customers, government, public sector, education, healthcare don't have to invest in their own data center technologies and on-prem infrastructure. They can come to AWS, partner with AWS, and we will support them. We can take care of all the heavy lifting when it comes to technology so that you don't have to focus on that. You can focus on your core business.
It's not that people don't want anything that can happen, as long as it can demonstrate what it does. That's why my immediate question was 62 billion, what's the value? The value proposition is not only going to be in words, it must also be in clear, authenticated delivery. Even the fiat, all those kind of things. A lot of issues, whether it's people who are deploying to run it, we need to analyze those as government.
I think the important part is to obviously assess and understand your organization's needs. So there's a lot of determining factors therein, but certainly the benefits of being able to migrate and moving into the cloud space becomes very important. Having on-premise environment means that you're constantly investing into hardware, you're constantly investing into security components that is now eased by migrating to cloud services. Technically, you're making that problem somebody else's service that you're paying for, but at least you are guaranteed of continued uptime. What you then have again is the measurement between, do I invest in infrastructure over a long duration of time that will reach its end of life versus moving into an agile but mobility friendly environment that would allow my end users to have the best of both worlds within a very short space of time.
Cloud allows you to really build, test, run, and then become more agile in launching some of these solutions, which is quite an antithesis of what government normally does. Government normally wants to do grand programs that are well planned, well articulated, that needs to be rolled out. But cloud allows you to really break it down into chunks and see a lot of milestones and achievements along the way. So that's the benefit. Then it starts with a strategy, and I also speak to how we approach it from a SALGA and local government point of view, where not only did we develop sort of a guideline and a framework for a digital strategy, but we also have a digital framework which covers the different elements of cloud and digitalization as a whole. So looking at infrastructure required, platforms that are required, applications that are required, all used to address the user demands, citizen experience demands. So to get the raw data and run my environment, what platforms can I house the data on, and what applications can I use to consume that data and the functionality that is there. What we've done on our side as well is that we looked at the maturity levels of different municipalities to see if they've got the right people, the right policies, the right processes, the right strategies, so that they could have the right requisite tools, if you will, to execute on a digital strategy.